What's up, everybody? It's Ricky Analog here. Going to do a trade recap as always. This is for informational purposes only. It's not a solicitation to trade. Make sure you guys do your own homework. Let's get right into it. The trade we're going to do this right now is IGC, and as you can see by this daily chart that I got up, guys, doesn't really need a whole lot of explanation as to why this was on high alert for a short today. This thing has been just ripping shorts to shreds lately. It is definitely in what I consider extended territory, and the move is definitely, in my eyes, getting extreme, and therefore it was main target today, guys. This and OGEN, which I'll do on the other trade recap. But I had a little bit short pre-market, and I ended up taking, let's see, what did I get? I got 1130s, took some at 1050 and some at 10. So I had a nice little bit of padding going into the day, and I threw some on when it looked like we were going to get the break down here through 10, and it ended up squeezing, and it's okay. I took the small paper cut on it. The price action was pretty much writing on the wall, as we like to say. It wasn't no ambiguity. It was pretty clear. So I was actually in the OGEN trade and kind of paying attention to it when this thing cracked this 1320 level, and I knew that I wanted to take some there, but being in the OGEN trade, I missed the entries, and I knew the next level I was looking at was under this 69. So when it all went through that at just one flush candle, I threw some on, and I would have liked to get a pop back into the 13s to put bigger size on, but we didn't get it. And actually, the reason I covered some here is because I actually had a bit too much risk on for how wide of a stop I needed to be using. So that's why I took some off, just to de-risk a little bit here. And then from there was targets. So there was a target at 12, got those, and then it wanted to flush more. I gave it some time. I did not take any at this flush to 1150s. I really did want lower. I was looking for 11s, and I wanted 10s as well. So I took the 11s right in front of it just in case they held. I got 11.15 on those, and when it was coming down, when it put this first little bounce in, I was like, dude, I wanted the 10s, but I'm gonna be pretty upset with myself if I don't just at least lock some more in down here, guys. So I ended up just whacking out right at 10.50. It did give the flush through 10. It even gave 9.50s. It was an insane fade, but happy that I locked in what I locked in, because look what it did. It did the end of day squeeze like it has been, and it's no surprise. I'm actually a little bit upset with myself for not taking some up here at this stuff at 450. I just felt like there was very low risk up here. It would have been real easy to just stop out for probably, even with slippage, I think I would have been safe with risking about 20 cents up there. And we've already come in quite a bit from up there. But this thing is definitely on the watch list for tomorrow. This is not done yet. It's still holding trend, and it still should provide plenty more trading opportunities, guys. I mean, look where we closed. I'm sorry, let's look at the daily. Look at this daily chart. If we can get a gap up tomorrow or anything that stuffs towards today's highs, there's still so much backside left to this, guys, and there's no way I'm buying this up here. It's not going to be something I'm longing. It will be on my short watch. I'm just going to be looking for triggers, guys. I'll be putting risk against some sort of previous high or whatever we can use as levels to the left. So join us over at stocktraders.net, guys. I saw a lot of people getting hurt on this one today, and I think if you guys come check this out, we can get that squared away and make it so at the very least, risk is being managed a little bit better. I don't like to see people taking those really big losses that, you don't want to be giving back a week, a month, or whatever is worth of gains on one single trade. You need to be making sure that if you are taking these losses on these trades, they're just paper cuts, guys. It's been one of those markets where it's so much better to just take the paper cuts than to be the guy that's adding, and ending up with a huge chunk of your equity gone. So check us out, stocktraders.net, guys. See you over there. Peace.